Hi, it's Mary with the Great Outdoors University. I have a new activity for you today. I was inspired by the clouds that I see in the sky and the vapor, the water that they contain. So here today, you're going to create your own cloud in a jar. All you will need is some boiling hot water. Be very careful with that. Perhaps have help from your parents or another adult. You'll need some kind of aerosol spray and potentially hairspray or something like that, and some ice cubes, and a jar with a tight fitting lid. You can see I've already created my cloud in the jar. All you do is you pour 1/3 of that boiling hot water into the jar, spray some of that hairspray or aerosol into the jar right after you put the water in there, and quickly put the lid on the jar nice and tight, and then the ice cubes on top of that lid. And you will see your cloud begin to form inside the jar. And now you can see the condensation, the raindrops that are coming off of my cloud. So have fun. It's beginning to rain outside right now. Have a great day and enjoy making your cloud in a jar. Thanks.